Retrieval Augmented Generation (RAG). RAG is a very popular word in the space of generative AI. So let's try to understand RAG. Before we come to RAG point, let's understand how ChatGPT works. You ask a question and you get a response. So many times you don't get good quality of response. Why? Because ChatGPT is not trained for every domain. It is not expert in everything. You can't expect a very good answer in the area of like specialized domain, example medical surgery or legal documents and all. So in that case we need to leverage some external data source. Example, there is a book on or there is a PDF on particular topic. If you leverage that information, you may expect more precise answer. Example, if you think about ChatGPT, it may give many times hallucinations. It means not so precise answers. But in the case of RAG, you can expect better answers, especially in a particular domain. So in RAG, you try to leverage an external data source which is rich in nature in terms of data, in terms of information, and then large language model can help us create a sentence while leveraging that information from the PDF. Now let's try to understand RAG components. RAG components. So example, once you have a document, once you have some particular PDF of the domain, you need to organize that. So what to do? You first step, you divide into equal size chunks. Example, you may have a large PDF, you may divide into the 1000 chunks, like 1000 paragraphs. Then each chunk is converted into vector. So example, if you have one PDF having 1000 chunks, it means you will get 1000 vectors. Now each vector has some meaning, in a way. So when we have a large 1000, 10,000, 1,000,000 vectors, we need to organize it. So we need a system. We call it a vector DB, vector database. So vector DB is just like a system of books in the library where we put the books meaningfully. In the same manner, we organized all those vectors into vector DB such that we can retrieve faster and more accurately we can really retrieve it. If you put